Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my lovely online friends who always switch on. You guys always click the like buttons, you give me nice conversation. Thank you so much, and your loyalty to this channel, I really appreciate each and every one of you. And of course, welcome to my new subscribers and those of you who just come across this channel, stick around, you might like it in the end. Okay, gratification over. Okay, so don't worry about this, we will review something later, okay? This week's video is about the battle of a curling cream or curling gel. I've always kind of wondered which one will be better. I've got 3B, 3C type hair and I want to see whether the curling cream is better than a curling gel. I basically want to see which one does the curling better, okay? So if this is the type of thing that you'd like to see, stick around, get your popcorn, your tea, come on, say it with me, your plantain and fufu. And we are going to do this, okay? Okay, first things first, let me show you the two products that we're going to be using. On this side of my hair, I'm going to be doing the curling cream. And I've decided to use the ORS, it's the Curls Unleashed, a shea butter and honey curl defining cream. Bought this a few months ago thinking I was going to do it for a video then. I'm glad to do it now because I have a great gel to do it up against. This was $8.99 at my local beauty supply store. You get 16 ounces with this and yeah, no, I don't think this is natural. It's definitely not natural. The granny eyes, okay, because I can't see properly. Listen, I'm taking a picture, okay? I'm taking a picture. I can't read it, it's so tiny. Okay, it says, I'm reading the ingredients, okay? Because some of this is long. Aqua, cocoa, okay, not bad. Coconut oil, something else, shea butter, not bad. Sol, I don't know that. Alcohol, oh, citral alcohol, that's all right. Don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Benzoate polysorbate 60 and PEG 12. Oh, that ain't good. I want to put these things on my hair and I know that they're not brilliant for your hair. My goodness, what am I doing? Ooh, the list is long. Baby girl, this has got a whole heap of things in. And I've got to say, there's a lot of stuff I do not know what it is. I can't pronounce them. So I'm up against a product that's not a natural product. Already, oh, I'm off-putted. But I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to give it a try. Who knows? First of all, I want you to see this. It's like a thick, custardy, moussey. It's quite thick, actually. I'm quite surprised. This might do a good job. The smell now, let me tell you something. Okay, what I don't like about it, it's got that, you know when you were younger and you used to have medicine and it was a bit like, the aftertaste was like, that's what this smells like. It smells of medicine, chemical. It better do good because if I'm putting this on my hair. Anyway, I digress. So for this side, I'm going to be using the Amaré-Me Curl Defining Jelly. Now, I don't know if any of you have seen my Instagram. You'd have seen some of the reels that was shown you. It's a really nice jelly. It's not as thick as the ORS curling cream, but it has a maximum hold. It has a really light scent and its main aim is to hydrate, shine and define your curls and maximum hold. Now this is in a 200ml bottle and it's £11. What's it's of course £11, that's right, it's natural. What do you expect, darling? So the ingredients for the curl defining jelly are beautiful, okay? Rose water, vegetable glycerin, xanthan gum, which is a natural thickening agent, castor oil, aloe vera gel, moringa oil, pectin powder, which is also a natural thickener, also gives lots of shine. Now for the smell for this jelly, when you open it, it is divine. It smells of rose water. It's so beautiful. There are no nasties in this. You better do good, okay? Don't show me up, okay? Right, let's get on. Okay, I got a few disclaimers here. I washed my hair earlier on and I air dried it, and halfway through I thought I will just put this on. So I think I've got a very small afro right now. Okay, so it's taken the shape of this. My hair has got no product on at all and my hair shrunk somewhat. Okay, I needed my hair to be clean because any build-up on your hair when you put gel on, you're just going to get flakes. So I've got warm water here. I'm just going to divide left and right, spray it down just a little bit so it's damp, then put a bit of leave-in conditioner in and the Mel's bottom up in, and then to seal it up, and then we're gonna start with the process, okay? All right, I'm gonna speed this up because it's gonna be too boring. Right, okay, so I've got to work quick because I've got high porosity hair. My hair is already starting to go dry. So I'm just gonna put a bit of warm water all over my hair again. So I'm gonna wrap this side up because I want the moisture to stay in. We're gonna work on the cream first. Looking forward to this. I've never used a curling cream before. Oh, the smell, it's way too pungent. Medicine, don't like it. But anyway, okay, so I'm just taking bit by bit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It clumps really well. Oh, this might be a hidden gem. Wow, look at the clumps. All right, all right, all right, all right, let's go. I can see it wants to clump. Look at this. That's really nice. All right. And I'm making sure that I go to the root because I don't want puffy roots. I can see now why they say that it will stop shrinkage or it will lessen shrinkage because it's really heavy, this product. It's really weighing down my curls, and yeah, we'll see if they spring up. And it must be shea butter in the actual product that's doing that because it is a shea butter blend. Now, in terms of the slip, I mean, it's just normal kind of cream, but I love the shine. Shine looks good. I don't see much frizz. Yes, okay, right, so that's done. Took all of 3 minutes to do. All right now, so I'm gonna put the curl defining jelly on this side now. All right, here we go, here we go. The slip for this is lovely. So much slip. Look, my hands are just gliding through. So much shine. Clumping immediately, okay? If you're wondering how much I'm taking, I'm probably taking this amount every time. So this is the 4th time, I think, or 3rd or 4th time now. A little goes a long way with this product. Making sure I'm getting to the roots. And I can also tell that there's little to none frizz too. Ooh. Can we tell the difference at the moment? Okay, so I'm just gonna air dry it for a little bit and then I'm gonna go in with the diffuser and I'm gonna see how it is. Yeah, I'm gonna come back. Okay, I'm back. The hair is completely dried, yes. Yeah, no it is, it's completely dry. This side is the ORS Curl Defining Cream and this is the Amaré-Me Curl Defining Jelly. Now I have to say, both of them I really like. So let's just have a look at the curl defining cream. Okay, so as you can see, this side got some nice curls at the front as well. Some really nice curls. They've clumped the curls nicely and I do feel like there's a bit of frizz and I can always tell if there's some frizz. You can't see it here, can you see? So we've got hair in between here. There's frizz in between here, as you can see, all here there's frizz. So there is a little bit of frizz with the cream and I think the reason why, because it doesn't have any ingredients that has hold in it, it didn't manage to hold my baby hairs very well. And there is a tiny, just a little bit of a crunch. Now this side of my hair is much thicker, I have more hair follicles it seems, and it grows longer on this side. So we're gonna compare it with the curl defining jelly to see if it was able to keep the length and not give me any shrinkage like it said. It said less shrinkage, okay? Okay, so let's have a look at the curl defining jelly. All right, so as you can see, this curl defining jelly, this literally looks like it's wet. It is curled every single strand. There's no frizz in between. There's nothing. May I just say that look how it's laid my edges. I just quickly did something, nothing special, but just to show that it actually holds down your baby edges. Now the main aim for this particular product is to define the curls you already have. So it's going to enhance and define all of those curls. I think it's done that. There is definitely a cast left on your hair, but you can break that with an oil or a water-based leave-in conditioner. That can go as soon as you start doing that. Okay, did it elongate? Okay, so ORS hasn't elongated anything, so I wouldn't say it's good for that. Yeah, and that's the other thing. This is not as moisturized as this side is. Yeah, again, I would say that's more to do with the ingredients list. Okay, so it's the next day. You know what? I need to give these products, the curl defining jelly and the curl defining cream, we need to see how well they've held up overnight, okay? So it's after 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and trust me, these curls have been locked in this position, so don't be alarmed. Before I do the reveal, what we're looking for, is there any flaking? Is there still shine on my hair? Is there still definition with the curls? Is there hold with the curls? And is there any sign of frizz? I'm going to show you now, okay? All right. Ooh, lots of shine for the curl defining jelly. The curl defining cream does actually have a shine, but you cannot deny that this curl defining jelly has the best shine. Okay, so let's see the baby hairs. There's a little bit of hold there, a little swoop, and the rest is, you know, barely holding, but it's got a bit of a hold there still. And it's still it's held quite nicely there. It's, you know, quite straight and flat. The curl defining cream did not hold up at all on my edges, so we are giving it a big fat 0 on this side. All right, so I'm just gonna ease the hair down a bit. All right, so now on the curl defining jelly, we wanna see if there's any flakes. I don't see any flaky. There may be some, but I can't see it in the camera. Is there frizz? It's still defined. Look at that, day 2 through the night, and it's still looking mighty fine. It's really defined. I mean, look, curls intact. I tell you, they're intact. And it feels moisturized. Got a bit of body to it now, and it's got the hold. The curls have definitely held up. Right, okay, so the cream, have to say, is completely frizzy. It feels drier. Now the curls, got some good curls still there. Some nice curls there. However, when we take a better look, okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of frizz. They've not held up. Look at all this. The frizz is real on this side, as opposed to this. Can you see this? Sister, can you see this? And you can see that the curl defining jelly, it just kind of, this side is just starting to flop. It's just, it's flopping, okay? Whereas because the curl defining jelly has hold in it, go some body. Right, okay, so I think that's enough of that. We've seen it for ourselves. I'm about to re-rinse my hair, put a conditioner on my hair and reapply all over my hair with the curl defining jelly. Okay, so I'm gonna fluff this out because I don't like shrunken hair all the time on my head, okay? Right, okay, I've had enough now. It's not quite where it should be. I'm gonna stop right there because it's gonna be a useless point after the video, because I'm just gonna go and put a conditioner on it and reapply the jelly all over my hair. All right, guys, that is it. Let me know your thoughts, whether you've tried the ORS curl defining cream before, or even those of you who've already purchased the curl defining jelly, if you've tried this jelly and you want to add your 2 pennies in as well to let people know how it's like on your hair, please share it down in the comments down below. Or maybe there's another curl defining jelly or cream that I could use that would give amazing results. You got to share that with us because I'd like to know, okay? But I've got a free gift for you guys for 5 beautiful winners. I'm going to be giving away samples of the curl defining jelly, so you need to look in the details down below to see how you can have a chance of winning the sample, okay? I will keep this running up until the 15th of October, where I will be announcing the winners, the 5 winners, on my Instagram story. So you got to follow. Okay, guys, I'm going now because I've got to recondition my hair and get rid of this because it's just dry. It's so annoying. I will see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in again this week and showing your love. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this kind of content, and you know what, sharing my videos, it really helps my channel, okay? Help us this out. I'll see you again in my next one. You take care and God bless you. Bye.